In order to subscribe to my channel, please click here or click here. Please share, comment and like my videos and channel. Hello guys, welcome to SaaS with ServiceNow. This is part 11.1 and this session is about knowledge check. The topics for this knowledge check are service catalog, tables and fields, access control list, data import, and CMDB. Before I start the session, let me show you the topics of this complete training. Knowledge check 3. Question number 1. What is collection of structured variables which can be reused in catalog items? Your time starts now. And the answer is variable sets. Question number 2. Which type of catalog item that allows end users to create task-based records like incident? Your time starts now. And answer is record producer. Question number 3. Catalog editor can update the catalog manager of a catalog. True or false? Your time starts now. And answer is false. Catalog editor cannot update the catalog manager. Question number 4. What are 3 types of task records created when catalog item is submitted? Your time starts now. And answer is request, requested item, and catalog task. Question number 5. Flow and workflow can be used together for a catalog item. True or false? Your time starts now. And answer is false. Flow and workflow cannot be selected together. You have to select one of them for your catalog item. Question number 6. What is called as column of a table? Your time starts now. And answer is field. Field is basically the column of a table. Question number 7. Name 2 base tables in ServiceNow. Your time starts now. And the answer is task table and CMDB_CI table. Question number 8. Incident, change, problem are extended from which table in ServiceNow? Your time starts now. And the answer is task table. All these tables are extended from task table, which is also the base table. Question number 9. Which functionality displays the details of tables and their relationships in a visual manner? Your time starts now. And answer is table schema map. Question number 10. Extended tables inherit fields of parent table. True or false? Your time starts now. And answer is true. Whenever the table is extended from a parent table or base table like task table, it also inherits the fields of parent table, the table from which it is extended from. Question number 11. What is full form of ACL? Your time starts now. Answer is access control list. Question number 12. What are main 4 types of operations of access? Your time starts now. Answer is CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. Question number 13. In which application you will find ACL module? Your time starts now. Answer is under System Security application, you will find Access Control module. Question number 14. What type of ACL will be applied if user can access the records in a table except one field? Your time starts now. Answer is table.field ACL will be applied to secure the field. Question number 15. Which kind of ACL will be created to restrict some fields to be available to use for templates? Your time starts now. Answer is save as template ACL. Question number 16. What is a set of field maps that determine the relationships between fields in an import set and fields in an existing ServiceNow table? Your time starts now. And the answer is transform map. Question number 17. Which types of file format can be imported via import functionality available in the list context menu? Your time starts now. And the answer is Excel format. Question number 18. What is used to update existing records rather than inserting new record during transformation of data? Your time starts now. And the answer is making field as coalesce. Question number 19. What is called a staging table which stores source data? Your time starts now. And the answer is import table. Question number 20. What type of records tracks the information about the insert, update, skipped, error for the records imported? Your time starts now. Answer is import set record. Question number 21. Which table stores the detail about configuration items? Your time starts now. And the answer is CMDB_CI. Question number 22. Database instance is configuration item. True or false? Your time starts now. And the answer is true. Database is one of the configuration item. Question number 23. How configuration items are categorized in CMDB? Your time starts now. And the answer is configuration items are categorized in CMDB classes. So you have different CMDB classes, and that's how CMDB items are categorized. Question number 24. Name 3 key tables of CMDB. Your time starts now. And the answer is base configuration item, and CI relationships. Question number 25. Name the feature which shows the graphical infrastructure view of a CI and all other CI connected or related to the CI. Your time starts now. And the answer is dependency view.